A tree in which the decoction of leaves is prescribed for menstrual disorders and hemorrhages. What tree is it? Introducing the Tectona grandis of the family Lamiaceae. Teak is one of the potential forestry species for furniture. In various reforestation projects, the species is one of the primary planting materials because it is very adaptable to the grassland environment. The species is well distributed in Asia, Southeast Asia, the West, and to some extent in America, East Africa, and Oceania. It is a native of India and Indonesia. In the Philippines, it is mainly grown in many of the country's reforestation projects. Extensive plantation could be observed in the Ilocos region, Nueva Vizcaya, Nueva Ecija, Cebu, and Los Baños, Laguna. The teak wood is mainly used to construct bridges, wharves, railway carriages, ship decks, wood carvings, and general carpentry. Teak leaves and seeds have pharmaceutical value. The decoction of leaves, fresh or dried, is prescribed for menstrual disorders and hemorrhages. The oil of the teak nut, which has a pleasing odor, is used as a hair grower. The oil may also be applied to the skin to soothe irritations. The bark of roots and young leaves is a source of yellowish brown or reddish dye used to color paper, clothes, and matting. In Java, sawdust is used for incense. Wood powder paste are used as a treatment against bilious headache and swellings, and taken internally against dermatitis or as a vermifuge. Charred wood soaked in poppy juice and made into a paste relieves eyelid swelling. Bark is used as an astringent and wood oil as hair tonic. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.